Hello friends, welcome to BISP trainings. This is another video in Odoo 13 series. Today we are going to see how the data is shown in a Kanban view. In our last video we have learned how to create a module and how to create a model and how to show the data in list view. This is what we have created last time. This is a list view. Now in this video we are going to see how to show the data in Kanban view. First of all, let me show you what is Kanban view. This is the Kanban view. This is a template in itself, left side image, and this is ULLI. Here is the Kanban view and here is the list view. So now we are going to start this Kanban view. First of all, we need to follow some simple steps. Only two steps are there. First is add a keyword Kanban in record. Second is adding the structure of Kanban in XML file. So let's start here. First of all, I will add Kanban keyword in here, records. Then I will add the structure is already I have copied, control C, and below this tree view I am going to copy this, control V. Now let's see the structure. It starts with record. ID is data Kanban view because we have given the ID data tree view for this, so it makes sense. Data Kanban view. IR UI view is the fix for model. After that, lead data Kanban. Kanban view will lead data can will be shown in Kanban view. So that is why we have given the name lead data Kanban. After that, model name is lead.data. This is the table name. Then architecture equal to XML. Now here Kanban tag starts. It ends here. Inside this, first of all, we will take the fields. What field we are going to show? Then the template starts. Template tag. Inside this template tag, because this is a template tag, and now left side image and ULLI inside this ULLI portion. So t dash name Kanban box, inside this OE Kanban global click. The class of this div tag is OE Kanban global click. That means after clicking this box, you will be redirected to form view. So this O Kanban record has image fill. Now this is if else condition. Look at this. This is if else condition. If your record contains image, then this part will be executed. OE Kanban fill left and Kanban image. Lead data is the table name, image, record ID, raw value. And if the record has no image, then it will fill by default user icon. By default user icon is this. Here is the by default user icon. When there is no image in your record, you have not uploaded any image. After this t tag, OE Kanban details. Now this is the class O Kanban tags section. Now inside this we will take ULLI, and very simple, we will put all this first name, email. Let me show you. Control D. Phone, I will take phone also. Phone. Yes. Now after that, close all the open tags, template tag, Kanban tag, all the open tags will be closed, and then in this way our Kanban format is ready. Now let's rerun this and I will show you how it is, how it look likes. Now again I am going to apps. I will upgrade it. Here is the CRM demo, and yes, look at this. This is the Kanban view, and if I click on this, it will be redirected to form view. Now this option starts appearing here. Now this is the list view, and if I click on here, this is the Kanban view. So this is how we create the Kanban view. For example, let's create a new value here. Again, new record. First of all, Ram. Unqualified lead, it is through come through description should be lipsum.com. Let's take some text from here. Here we will take, and then email, phone, then let's take some image also on the desktop. And then here city, company, and now I am going to save this. Now this is saved. Let's see here leads. Here, yes, look at this. Phone, first name, last name, email, phone, and all these things appears here. Now what if I forget to upload the image? Let's create one more record without image. Now I am not uploading any image here. Let's see, look at this. If the image is not there, it will load by default image. So this is how we create Kanban view. If I click this, you will be redirected to form view. So by default only list facility is given. You have to add the Kanban view through coding. So this is how we create the Kanban view. Now in our next video, what we are going to do, we are going to add some by default filters. Suppose I wanted to see only male candidates whenever I come to this page. So by default filters can also be added here. So that we will see in our next video. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.